Okay, I just thought I'd do a little update here because I never really did a final one, and today I did get the Stellar Wars um, new apron cards that somebody had actually given me for my birthday. Um, but anyway, because it was just brought up again in my older video, and I kind of mentioned it and everything like that, but just in case people wanted an update, it does now have Williams flipper bats. Yes, whenever I did the original, let's see if this idea will work. The only thing I had laying around new was a set of Williams, or yeah, set of Bally's, which are shaped like this. They don't have the fine point on them. So this is a set of Bally flipper bats. The Williams are a lot pointier. So there are Williams in the game. You know, this one has Williams flipper bats, obviously, which, whatever. Besides that, it's been working great. I also recently did the translucent blue caps with the pop bumper rings that are soldered in, so those will never, flake on me again. I did finish it all with LEDs, so they're more of a cool white instead of the amber white. Some of them, depends. I didn't do all of them like that. Like these are still the warm whites. Left those warm. These are cools, stuff like that. So hit or miss. I guess as a little update, it's the middle of May. Scooby-Doo is gone. We do have Black Knight now with the sword in here. Iron Maiden hasn't really changed much. Not going anywhere. Got a couple little toys in here. Nothing really major. Just love this game. Recently just got Stranger Things in. This is a Pro, but it does have the Stern UV kit in it. So you can kind of see the metal LED rails up there, and then the little holes in the apron. It does have radiant rings in it, which are kind of cool. The white ones, obviously when you go UV, the white ones turn like a purple, and the purples turn like a cool pink. This also has the UV plastics in it, so all the plastics change. Williams Comet, original playfield, really good condition. The flippers on this one are super strong. He hits that. I had to do tapered post sleeves on here because it was always hitting the glass and going over the flippers. The dunk tank guy will still sometimes get it to pop up and go over, but I actually built this clear plate here. This game also does have kind of like a mirrored wall art, side art, whatever. Art blades is what it's usually called, but it's a mirror. This is actually just a roll of like $8 chrome vinyl. I did a separate video on that, so very nice. Lost World. It has a NOS clear-coated playfield in it, new plastics, perfect back glass, all-tech boards. That's an NOS back glass. Stellar Wars, obviously, I did the updated flipper assemblies. Has a new board in it. Most of my games have Wolfpack LED displays in them. Over here you have my Stern Galaxy with 7-digit Wolfpacks. So it's just really good condition. TNA, not much done to it. Chrome bumper cap. I did a better LCD screen, give it a little bit better contrast ratio. Glow-in-the-dark Titan rings. Again, not much going on. All of my newer games have Polk subs on the floor as well. And then another new one that just got here. This is replacing Scooby-Doo. This is a Fathom Mermaid Edition by Haggis. It's such a fun game. Plays so smooth. I mean, the playfield has like that acrylic coating on it or whatever. It's about as thick as the glass on here. So this is just a really fun. It's about a little over 6 degrees. I think it's like 6.3. So it plays nice and fast, smooth. I mean, very beautiful game. Just it's made amazingly. So I know they're having production issues as far as just getting them out the door, but this is an amazing game besides that. So, but that's it. That's the current lineup, just down to 9 at the moment.